สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Social Science and Humanities Research Association International Conference for inviting me as a keynote speaker. I am Assistant Professor Dr. Parchart Toomnan from the Faculty of Interdisciplinary Studies, Khon University, Thailand. Today, I'll be presenting on the topic Journey into Learning, exploring the fusion of entertainment and online learning. Today, technology is rapidly transforming our way of life. We live in a period of innovation and rapid social change. Everything in our lives is moving faster and faster. After the COVID-19 outbreak, not only has our way of life changed, but so have our approaches to learning. With hybrid classes, we can now learn both on-site and online. Technology also enables us to access learning at our fingertips. Nowadays, we can learn anywhere, anytime. With just one application, we can learn any language. Furthermore, we might even choose to study with native English speakers who are AI professors. However, human teachers are still essential. As far as we know, we all experienced the COVID-19 pandemic from 2019 to 2022. During that time, online learning became the sole option for continuing our studies and managing teaching and learning. This situation forced us to adapt and achieve things we never thought possible. Platforms, for example, Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx, and Facebook Messenger were among the many tools and programs developed or enhanced for online learning. These days, teachers and educators try to improve the impact, engagement, and relevance of learning by combining education with entertainment in instructional methods. A technique called as edutainment. At Khon University, instructors, staff, and students are encouraged to integrate innovation and technology into teaching and learning. The third seminar and exhibition on digital educational innovation held on July 31st, 2024, aimed to enhance education and workplace practices, supporting the university's strategies in education transformation, lifelong education, and digital transformation. Edutainment is not a new concept. Edutainment is the combination of technology and interaction that enables individuals to learn through amusement while also maintaining and increasing memory. It's undeniable that children love listening to and watching fairy tales. As they watch these tales, children not only enjoy the experience but also absorb language naturally. Stories play a crucial role in helping children acquire language. For instance, Sesame Street is an educational tool that helps children learn numbers, letters, and life skills through entertaining skits, songs, and characters like Big Bird Elmo and Cookie Monster. It's been on air since 1969 and is beloved worldwide for its engaging, inclusive, and fun approach to learning. Music is the universal language of mankind. Songs are enjoyable for children, youngsters, and adults to sing. Songs for children, such as sing-along songs by the Learning Station and Cocomelon Sing-Along. Meanwhile, karaoke programs for children, teenagers, and adults, such as Spoon and Star Maker, are enjoyable and useful in terms of listening and speaking skills, as well as lexical knowledge. Apart from stories and songs, games are no longer just for gamers. Learners, both young and adult, can acquire knowledge through games. Both groups enjoy learning while playing in a joyful manner. Discord is another popular choice for games among teenagers. In addition, it is widely used as an online learning platform by both teachers and learners due to its multifunctionality. Furthermore, certain games are used to assist professionals in improving their professional abilities through simulations, such as the accessible flight simulator, flight attendance, job simulator, or the career design life simulation digital. So, in terms of instructional management, this is an important topic for course designers to answer in order to build teaching and learning activities that satisfy the needs of their students. Similarly, teachers must determine how to make their games challenging, engaging, and exciting for those learners. As a result, this crucial aspect should not be overlooked when it comes to online learning. Movies are one of the most enjoyable forms of entertainment that people can enjoy effortlessly while learning. People watch movies based on their preferences, but movies are not just something we watch, they are also a source of learning. Let me introduce two Thai films that made waves in 2024: The Undertaker and Grandma's Grandchild. The sensational Thai film Lanma or Grandma Grandchild, internationally recognized as How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies, has been chosen as Thailand's official contender for the 97th Academy Awards. This marks a major milestone for Thai cinema on the global stage. As a matter of fact, in each movie, the language reflects real-life usage, carefully crafted and validated by professionals like scriptwriters, script doctors, story editors, and script supervisors. This ensures that every line of dialogue is accurate, natural, and relevant to everyday life. That means that when it comes to language, we not only watch movies, but also absorb knowledge from real life situations. There's no need for textbooks when watching movies. Through movies, we learn vocabulary, expressions, different cultures, and ways of life. While reading textbooks can be challenging, watching movies feels effortless. We simply enjoy them and let the experience unfold. In the process, we naturally acquire knowledge. All in all, whether in the classroom or not, anyone can learn anywhere anytime, while on-site classes are still necessary. Online classes offer an option that allows learners to study independently and at their own convenience. In an era of rapid information change, we need to carefully choose what meets our needs and preferences and consider how it impacts our daily lives. Designing and creating online classes with an element of entertainment is neither easy nor difficult. It's certainly achievable. Since everything is connected, aim to make the experience motivating, relevant, and challenging. Let's inspire learners not only to absorb knowledge, but to enjoy the process of learning, to question, to create, and to dream. With entertainment, we're not just teaching, we are sparking curiosity, inspiring creativity, and opening doors to endless possibilities. There's no one size fits all approach to teaching and learning. Just pick what works, live fully, learn openly, and explore joyfully. Treat each moment as a wonderful opportunity to grow and discover. Thank you for listening.